Today we're revealing 5 incredible AI video editing tools that can save you hours of work. Whether you're a YouTuber, vlogger, or any content creator, these tools will streamline your workflow. In the next few minutes, you'll see how each one can handle boring tasks for you so you can focus on the creative stuff. 1. Clipchamp, Microsoft's browser-based video editor. It's shockingly powerful and free to use. Clipchamp's suite of AI features can automatically remove background noise, cut out silences, generate captions, and even remove video backgrounds. This might surprise you, but Clipchamp's free plan includes all these AI tools and lets you export videos without a watermark. That's a rare find. Use Clipchamp to quickly polish short clips, trim mistakes, enhance audio, and add subtitles in seconds, saving you loads of time compared to doing it manually. Tool number 2 is DaVinci Resolve by Blackmagic Design. This is a pro-grade editor, Hollywood level. And guess what? The basic version is completely free. Even better, DaVinci includes amazing AI tools. For example, its music remixer can isolate vocals, bass, drums, or any instrument from your soundtrack, letting you adjust the mix after the fact. It's Relight. AI tool can change the lighting in your shot after you film it. It's like having a virtual lighting kit in post-production. It might surprise you that such advanced tools are available at no cost. Whether you want to fine-tune audio or fix lighting scenes without reshoots, DaVinci's AI makes it possible and saves you loads of time. Before we move on, a quick tech tip. Check out the SDINSIDE macro keypad, an 18-key stream controller deck perfect for video creators. I use it as a customizable soundboard. Assign one key to cut clips, another to add effects or transitions, and bam! Instant shortcuts. It plugs into your PC/Mac via USB and works great with OBS or your editing software. It's been a huge time saver for me. I've added the Amazon link in the description below so you can grab one for yourself. Tool number 3 is Descript. This one is a game changer for anyone editing talks, interviews, or podcasts. Descript generates a transcript of your video, and you edit the script to edit the video. Delete a sentence from the transcript and it disappears from the footage. Like magic. You won't believe how much time that saves. Descript also has features like Remove Retakes, which scans all your takes, picks the best one, and trims the rest. It's like editing a document instead of scrubbing a timeline. You won't miss the tedious clicks at all. Tool number 4 is Runway ML, an AI video platform that feels like science fiction. Runway can remove or replace backgrounds with a click, color grade clips using simple text prompts, blur faces, and more. It's more than just filters. You literally type a command, and it edits your video. Imagine telling it, make the sky sunset orange, or erase that sign in the background, and it happens in seconds. This is the future of editing. Even its built-in generative video tools are impressive, but just using Runway's AI editing features, background removal, object erasing, etc., can shave off countless hours. Last is Adobe Premiere Pro, a paid powerhouse, about $34.99 per month. We saved the paid tool for last because the others are free or have free tiers. Premiere Pro is an industry standard editor with AI features that really help. Its morph cut is mind-blowing. It automatically blends jump cuts together, so if you cut out an or awkward pause, it hides the seam seamlessly. And the auto reframe tool automatically tracks your subject and reframes for vertical or square video, a lifesaver for social clips. If you're editing video regularly, this investment can pay off in huge time savings. But for quick jobs or beginners, our free picks above often do the trick too. Recap and conclusion. So there you have it, 5 AI tools to cut your editing time dramatically. Clipchamp, free easy browser editor with AI trim and captions. DaVinci Resolve, free pro editor with AI audio and lighting tools. Descript, free tier, edit video via text transcript. Runway ML, free plan, crazy AI effects like background removal. Adobe Premiere Pro, paid, top editor with AI like MorphCut. Each tool automates the tough stuff, cutting filler, cleaning audio, color correcting. So, you spend less time clicking and more time creating. Thanks for watching. If these tools impressed you, let me know in the comments which one you'll try first. And don't forget to subscribe to iBotania X for more AI tips and creator tech. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you next time, and happy editing.